If you're going to hire a bookkeeper or an accountant from Fiverr, Upwork, Bench, or whomever, whatever platform you can contract accountants or bookkeepers from overseas, make sure that there's some type of due diligence that you're doing over your business finances. The reason is oftentimes you have to do a lot of training and oversight when you're hiring overseas contractors. And I get it. Sometimes you want to cut costs, you want to save money, but I'm a little biased in this area. I don't know if finances is the area where you want to cut costs on. There's too many rules and regulations, especially over the past 2-3 years that have been changing with the tax code. We don't necessarily want to outsource your bookkeeping or your finance if you don't know what you're looking at. If you as a business owner don't know what you're looking at, you don't know what you're doing, why would you outsource that part of your business to someone overseas? So here are some things that I typically see when I'm doing QuickBooks or Wave apps or Xero diagnostic reviews. I'm typically seeing miscategorization of your transactions. They're sitting in the wrong bucket. Your expenses don't make any sense. Your revenues and your income and sales are inflated because you have transactions coming from Venmo, Stripe, Square, PayPal, Cash App, but they're also hitting your bank account. So these overseas contractors, they're not reconciling all of these accounts. So what does that do? It overstates your revenue. Overstating your revenue could potentially put you in a position to overstate your tax bill. So this is not an area where you want to be cheap and skip out on the due diligence. You want to make sure that you have some type of level of review, whether it's you as the owner or someone you bring in. No problem if you're outsourcing the tedious transactional work. But at a minimum, bring in a US-based accountant, tax professional, finance professional to review your finances before you start to file your taxes, apply for funding, go to the bank for a damn mortgage loan or getting a lease on a property. All of that stuff ties into each other, and you want to make sure that you're using good data.